I'm on the sales side of the house, and what you're talking about calling Delta, that's a customer service portion of sales. Customer service should be a robust part of the sales department. I've seen customer service report to the finance department. That makes no sense at all. Because with AI, when you call Delta or any customer service desk, any call center, those people have a different relationship with the customer. Do they know that? A customer will take the word of a customer service person over the word of a salesperson. We assume the salesperson has to meet a commission, or they're going to get a check, or they're trying to meet their quota. But we don't think the customer service person has any of that. So if I go to you and say, Nadia, you need to upgrade to 2.0. Nadia, you need to upgrade to 2.0. And you're thinking, well, Chuck just wants to make another check. But then you call my business and the customer service person says, you know, Microsoft made a change to Outlook and our 2.0 will eliminate all these problems that you're having. Now you're going to buy it because you assume they don't have a dog in that fight. Well, AI can give you all the information. You can use PowerPoint, Word, Outlook, Excel, any of those to formulate that or form that so that any employee on the team can use it.